sweet.
Why?
Why? She's sweet. She's a very sweet person sometimes, and very caring mother. Mama, I know it's been a few days since your birthday, but still, happy birthday. Love you, Ma.
The best, because she's the best mom that I could ask for. That's it.
Hindi ko talaga hihilingin na sana, hindi ko hihilingin na iba yung nanay ko. And I'm very grateful to be your son, and I'm very proud to be your son.
99 red balloons floating in the summer sky. Panic bells, it's red alert. There's something here from somewhere else. The war machine springs to life, opens up one eager eye, focusing it on the sky. The 99 red balloons go by. 99 decisions tree, 99 ministers meet to worry, super scary. Call the troops out in a hurry. This is what we've waited for. This is it, boys. This is war. The president is on the line. As 99 red balloons go by. 99 red balloons go by.
Ma, happy birthday. Nagpapasalamat lang ako sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa amin, kung paano mo kami pinalaki, at lahat ng blessings sa'yo, at lahat ng kasayahan, at nagpapasalamat lang ako sa lahat ng sakripisyo na binigay niyo para sa amin, para maging mabuting tao.
Your greatest blessing will come from your greatest crushings. No? Na parang grapes daw. Ang grapes, pag hindi mo pinisa, namamatay. Pero pag pinisa mo, magiging wine that can last 100 years. No? Lumalabas yung purpose niya pag siya ay piniga mo. Pag siya ay piniga, doon yung lalabas yung kanyang layunin bilang isang wine.
Feeling ko, ang saya-saya ko kahit maingay sa basketball court. At saka, masaya ako syempre kasi it's a blessing na I'm still alive. Regardless sa lahat na nangyari sa buhay ko, I'm so thankful to the Lord na nandito pa rin ako, alive and still hoping na all good in my life and good health for me and for my children.
Aside from having the title Tanging Ina, more of barkada. Kasi pwede mong i-share sa kanya lahat eh. I mean, kahit ano yan. So ako, lahat ng mga katarantaduhan ko, lahat ng kalokohan ko, from head to toe, alam niya.
Moving forwards, using all my breath. Making love to you was never second best. I saw the world crashing all around your face, never really knowing it was always mesh and lace.
Ito yung mga in-invite ko talaga so that they will be happy like me. Kaguluhan. Magugulo yung mga yan, maingay, lalo na pag nalasing, keme, ganyan.
Sa mga anak ko, Kayo yung reason kung bakit buhay pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. And the reason din, sana pa, ito pa pala, sana normal and cute and mataba yung apo ko.
Stop the world in hell.